I'm going to show you how to create a MySQL database. I'm going to use cPanel. Open up whatever domain manager you use. In this case I'm using cPanel, but yours might be different if you have a different provider than my Lunar Pages. This is the MySQL icon. Click on it to open. And then you type in the name of your database. I'm going to use testdb. Click create. And then go back to where you were. Now that we've created our database, we're going to add a new user to it. I'm going to add username Bob to it. And Bob's going to get a password. Now, of course, all this will just be erased after we create this. So, for my security, then create user. Then go back. And then you have to add. See the database over here is my test database with my username in front of it. I'm going to add Bob to it. I'm going to give him all the privileges. So the way these are created is your username goes in front of a underline and then the name of your database. It's the username, underline, and the user. I'm going to add the database. Go back, and I am done. Databases are used with things like blogs. The WordPress blog is the one I use, and the first thing you have to do when you get that loaded up is to reconfigure the wp-config.php file. Three things you have to change on here is the username, database name, and the password. And the very first one here is the DB name, and the syntax is username, underline, and the name of your database, in this case username, underline, testdb. And the syntax is the same for the username, underline, Bob. And then the password is just the password itself. You save this to your server, and then you can install your WordPress blog.